Hi everyone, my name's Kelly, and today I'm going to be reviewing a classical ballet performance that I had attended. So on February 2nd, I went to see the San Francisco Ballet's performance of The Sleeping Beauty, and this was held at the War Memorial Opera House in San Francisco. The War Memorial Opera House is a really beautiful building with a lot of old architectural aspects that have been kept in pristine condition. I personally have been to many different ballets at the Opera House, and I've loved every single one of them. Typically, they rotate ballet performances based on the season. For example, the Nutcracker is always during the holiday season, and then they'll rotate with the Sleeping Beauty, the Swan Lake, and Giselle, and other ballets. So this would be classified as a classical ballet performance. And historically, the ballet has always just been for the rich and elite, but now it's a lot more inclusive and it really gives everyone the opportunity to appreciate this art form. The setup of the ballet is that the dancers are performing on a really big stage and the musicians reside in the pit below the stage, but they're still visible by the audience. And the ballet was about 2.5 hours long, which is about the same length as a lot of other classical ballets I've seen. There's also an intermission just to break up the different pieces in the ballet. So a little bit of a background story is it's similar to the well-known fairy tale. The principal dancers in this performance are Princess Aurora and the prince. And the story was basically just depicted through the dancing, music, costumes, and acting of the dancers. So here's a short video just showing a little excerpt of the Sleeping Beauty ballet. All right, so moving on, the dancers in the performance they're always about mid to late 20s or so, and the females have really lean bodies while the males have muscular but still pretty lean bodies as well. And the ballet dancers all have really strong legs and really strong cores as well. Most of the core dancers have been in the company for about 2-3 years, while the principal dancers have usually been in the company for about 5+ years. All the dancers are trained formally in the same way in classical ballet training, and the principal dancers are the main dancers who are given the solos and duets in all the different performances. So like I said, the dance is a classical ballet, and with that, it's very precise movements that are also balanced out with elegant and flowy movements as well. In these dances, the dancers wear pointe shoes, tights, and costumes. For male dancers, however, they wear tights and costumes as well, but they wear flat ballet shoes. As far as spatial patterns, it really varies based on what dance is being performed, whether it's a group dance, a solo, or a duet. With solos and duets, they tend to do different formations that really make use of the whole stage, while in group dances, since there's so many dancers on the stage, they don't need to move that much. It's very choreographed and structured when you're watching a classical ballet performance. And the motion really comes through in every movement, and it corresponds with the overall theme of Sleeping Beauty. Each of the dances is very mostly upbeat, unlike in the Swan Lake, where it's more soft and slow of a tempo, and the movement is very flowy and percussive. Also, the movement depends on what kind of piece that they're doing within the performance. So if it's a slower one, they'll be doing more flowy movements, and if it's a faster, more upbeat one, they'll be doing more precise and percussive movements. And the dancers are taught and trained to execute big movements, whether it's a slow or fast tempo, to give them a bigger stage presence. As far as shape and posture, the dancers have incredible posture. It really gives them a good stage presence, and whether they're waiting off to the side or they're in the middle performing, they always have really open shoulders, and they're facing the audience, and it gives them a great stage presence. So overall, I thought that this was a very well-crafted ballet. It was precise and elegant, and the dancers made use of the whole stage, which really created a scene and emotion that helped the audience engage in the stories. And they were able to use their acting, musicality, and performance qualities to really bring this ballet to life. All right, thank you.